As we get older, most of our somatic organs and tissues lose some of their functionality. The risk of blood vessel rupture and arterial obstruction increases as blood vessels and arteries harden and narrow due to the accumulation of fat and cholesterol deposits. Strokes can be classified as either ischemic, caused by a lack of oxygen-rich blood reaching the brain, or hemorrhagic, caused by the rupture or leaking of blood vessels in the brain. The stroke is potentially fatal in any case. Although the types of strokes discussed below are more common among those in their 40s and older, anyone is at risk. The choices we make about what and how much to eat in our middle years, typically after the age of 30, can have significant consequences for our health down the road. If you want to invest in your health, Bethany Frankel says you have to eat right, just like you would invest in a bank account. By making nutritious vegetable choices, you're essentially making an investment in your future well-being. This lends credence to the theory that establishing positive dietary patterns at a young age can mitigate the onset of serious health issues later in life. The following are some veggies that can help fight against stroke in old age. 1. Spinach. Those with cardiovascular disease are at increased risk for stroke, but the calcium, vitamin K, and folate found in spinach can help reduce this risk. Studies have found that the high fiber content of spinach reduces the risk of stroke. 2. Potatoes. Potatoes' potassium and magnesium content has been linked to reduced blood pressure and stroke prevention. Increasing one's magnesium intake has been shown in recent studies to help one's bone density and impulse, and reduce one's risk of having a stroke. 3. Pumpkins and seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in antioxidants, magnesium, fiber, and potassium, all of which have been linked in studies to a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease, diabetes, and cancer. 4. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are an excellent food source of the antioxidant lycopene. Antioxidants may mitigate inflammation's effects on the body, lowering the probability that cardiovascular diseases like heart disease and stroke will develop. Regular consumption of sun-dried tomatoes, which are high in antioxidants, may reduce the risk of stroke. Eating the listed foods can greatly reduce the risk of stroke and other cardiovascular problems for people over the age of 40.